CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, has long been a subject of speculation and concern, with some fearing it could end the world. Joe Rogan recently discussed a new particle discovered through LHC's experiments on his podcast, suggesting it could have unprecedented consequences. Despite its potential significance, the mainstream media has been relatively silent on this discovery. The LHC has been involved in several mysterious incidents, capturing unusual particle signatures and unprecedented energy levels that defy current understanding of particle physics. Physicists at CERN have hypothesized that this particle, possibly an ultra-heavy version of the Higgs boson, could revolutionize our understanding of the universe and even open doors to other dimensions. The LHC has a history of groundbreaking discoveries, including the confirmation of the Higgs boson in 2012. However, recent findings have shown anomalies in magnetic fields and unexplained data spikes, leading to speculation about external factors and the nature of these particles. Some scientists believe these discoveries could be tied to dark matter or even unknown dimensions. LHC's ability to recreate early universe conditions has sparked debates about its safety, with some fearing it could trigger catastrophic events. Yet proponents argue that the collider's work is crucial for advancing our knowledge of the universe's fundamental structures. CERN's experiments have provided insights into antimatter and dark energy, elements that make up the majority of the universe's mass and energy. While the risks associated with LHC's high-energy collisions are debated, researchers continue to explore its potential to reveal deeper cosmic mysteries. The discovery of a new particle could signal a new era in particle physics, challenging existing models and potentially leading to a paradigm shift in our understanding of the cosmos. As LHC gathers more data, it could either validate or refute current theories, offering new perspectives on the universe's origins and its fundamental forces. While the fear of catastrophic outcomes remains, CERN's work symbolizes humanity's quest for knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the fabric of reality.